degrees here by day and 60 degrees here by night. It's really hot and sunny here, and it's really hard to survive in.
And it's quite hard to find shade.
And this is Group versus Wild.
Woohoo!
Maybe wishing that this will get us some water.
Oh my god, how long have we been walking?
5 hours.
I need some water.
Get up!
Do you have any water? Does it look like we have water?
Help me up!
Let's go find some water!
This way! Help me up!
Water! We found a creek.
Sarah, move over.
We have found a creek, and to make a bowl we will use tree bark. To purify our water we have simple pills made of iodine. These will purify our water and make it so we can drink it.
Say, Sarah, are you hungry?
I sure am, Alex.
Well, in this bountiful creek...
What?
Oh, there's a fish.
There it goes! I'm gonna go run and get it!
In the creek, we find many fish that we can use for food. We take them back to our fire to cook them properly.
I found another fish! Alex, go get it!
Gotcha, Sarah!
After we get our fish, we skin it with a piece of wood, and then we burn it over our fire that we make and put it on a stick and then cook it. We build our fire by using matches and wood.
Here at the creek, we use the rocks and the water to help clean our belongings and clothes.
Simply dip the water and then apply it to your clothes.
Or wipe on a rock to wash it down.
Here in the creek, we have no hair care products, so we can use the seaweed as extensions. I am Firestarter Shinyu Huzzah! Support. Even though it can barely support itself.
We are building the fire.
God damn it.
This is our fire that we use.
We've only been working on it for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Now we will start it with the matches that we brought in our fanny packs. This is where we're sleeping tonight because it provides the right amount of shade and protection
Because there's shade.
from the elements.
This is where we're sleeping tonight because it provides shade and shelter.
Almost there. No, we're not. Calm down, guys. Oh, sorry. Sarah, pop a squat.
You guys
Are you
okay?
filming?
Yep.
Some splinters.
Just
going
film.
on. Make this a blooper.
Alex!
Owie! We already got an injury.
This is what we get for filming out
Oh
in
my
the
God,
woods.
I can't. I can't watch.
No, get the other one.
Why are you bleeding?
Get the other one. Get the other one out. Ow, that hurts, Alex. Just rip it out.
If that were me, I'd be like, ah!
Perfect.
Oh, you're bleeding. It feels much better now.
Eat some grass, because I'm hungry.
Eat.
Sarah, I'm gonna sit down. So
Hello, mates. We out in the forest.
Eating
It's
grass.
moderately temperature.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
All right, let's get serious.
My thighs are in extreme pain. Second to grass will provide warmth.
Hey, Sarah.
I got injured
No!
already. On this. Can you
No!
Guys, we have to act like we're sleeping.
Sarah,
Morgan, you need to narrate this.
Sarah, poison ivy.
Oh my God, where?
Seriously, is that poison ivy?
Sarah, there's nothing to worry about.
not your mother.
All right, guys, we need to act like. Ow!
Guys, go to sleep.
I'm sleeping.
Oh my God! What is
Really not.
Oh! Do it.
I'm not sleeping.
And we will find. No, that doesn't make sense.
We will use.
Woo! I am.
I can't.
Let's go.
I can't move.
1 foot.
Oh my God.
Sarah, no, Sarah, use the rock to the left.
Alex, I got it.
Do we talk about the fish now?
Where? Oh my God.
Sarah, can you kill it?
Yeah, I'll kill it. Just show me where the.
Alex, I got that one on tape.
Okay, all right. Where's the stupid bug?
That was it.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's right there.
I cannot fit on this thing. Move over.
There's a spider.
We're planking.
Oh my God. Oh, Tim Tebow, don't let me get poison ivy.